Hi, my name is Ellie at Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around the MG ZS Exclusive in Cosmic Silver. With just 6,819 miles, this car is in immaculate condition. Being the exclusive model, this car comes packed full of great features, including the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, the full leather style upholstery, the 8-inch colour touchscreen with navigation and Apple and Android CarPlay and much more. Coming round to the rear of the vehicle now, it's got the added convenience of the rear parking sensors and reversing camera. If you'd like any more information at all on this vehicle or would like a personalised video, please feel free to get in contact. You can visit our website or call us on 01323 898818.